So now that we've got the correct SolidWorks settings, what we're going to do is build our first product in SolidWorks. So I'm going to go to Advanced, like before, open a Kimberly part, and what we're going to be doing is creating this Lego brick in the software. So first things first, got a toolbar at the top. The main ones we'll be using is this sketch toolbar, where we've got loads of different sketching features, and the features toolbar, which gives us some additional features. They will be grayed out or coloured depending on whether they are available to us. Next up on our feature tree on the left, got different planes, and this is where all our modelling will happen, and we can edit stuff and roll back if required. Our next bit, we've got some extra toolbars here at the top, which will help us as we go along. So first things first, what I'm going to do is I want to build something on my top plane, so I'll select it, it's highlighted blue, and I want an extrude boss, which is essentially creating a 3D shape. I want a rectangle. I like it symmetrical, so I'm going to go for a center rectangle. I'll then click on this red dot in the middle and create the rough shape I want. Click OK. Currently it's blue, which means I can move it around and adjust it how I like. But you might want to add some dimensions. You can skip this step if it's too tricky. You can just make it look correct. But if you want to be professional and neat and tidy, we can add some dimensions. So we're going to click the Smart Dimension tool up top. Click on our first edge we want to add a dimension to. And what we're going to do is type in the measurement we want. 31.8 millimeters. I'm going to click OK. Our next dimension we want is this one, so I'm going to click the line and I'm going to type 15.8. I'll now click OK, and I can exit my sketch. And what it's asking me now is I want to create the 3D shape, so I can drag the arrow up and down to adjust it, and if I know the dimensions, which I do, I'm going to type them in here. And just by coincidence, I want it to be 9.6, and that's what it is. And I'm going to press OK. This is the start of our Lego brick. Next up, we want to put a hole or a dot on the top to create the iconic Lego shape. So I'm going to click Extrude. It's asking me where I want to do my drawing. I want to do it on the top. Click. And now what I can do using the circle is draw a circle on the top, like so. If I hold the middle click or the scroll wheel down, I can rotate my model and I can zoom in and out. Alternately, I can use some of these views I've got here to rotate my model around. Next up, I'm going to add some extra dimensions. I know that I want this to be 3.9 millimeters from the edge. So I can type 3.9, press the green tick. Next up, I know that I want this circle to be 4.8. So I'll do the exact same thing. Press OK. And something is wrong. It's still blue, meaning I can move it around. It's going up and down. So what I can do is fix that by just adding a quick dimension like so between these two edges, and it'll be the same again, 3.9. Press OK, and I can exit my sketch. Rotate it around. We've got a little arrow again. It's showing roughly what it wants us to do. And I know that I want this to be 1.8 millimeters. It doesn't have to be exact, but if you do it like I am, you'll get an identical model to a genuine Lego brick. Here we go, and that is the start of our CAD model.